This American lamb tartare recipe takes just 25 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people as a sophisticated appetizer. Experience the bright, silky, and savory flavors of hand-chopped fresh American lamb, dressed with tangy mustard, zesty lemon, briny capers, and fragrant herbs. Served chilled alongside crisp lettuce cups and peppery radishes, this elegant dish is perfect for impressing guests or treating yourself to something truly special. Let's now check the ingredients. 12 ounces very fresh American lamb loin or leg, well trimmed. 1 large pasteurized egg yolk. 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon hot sauce, optional. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, plus more to taste. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, plus extra for finishing. 2 tablespoons capers, drained and finely chopped. 2 tablespoons cornichons, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons shallot, finely minced. 2 tablespoons chives, thinly sliced, plus extra for garnish. 2 tablespoons flat leaf parsley, finely chopped. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Endive or butter lettuce leaves for serving. Thinly sliced radishes for serving. Crusty bread or crackers for serving, optional. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Chill a metal mixing bowl and knife. Clear and sanitize your workspace. Place the lamb in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes to firm slightly. This makes clean, even dicing easier. Trim the lamb, removing silver skin and excess fat. Using the chilled knife, finely dice the meat into neat 1/4 inch cubes. Avoid the food processor to preserve texture. Keep the meat cold. Mince the aromatics. Finely chop shallot, capers, and cornichons. Thinly slice chives. Chop parsley. If your capers are very salty, rinse and pat dry first. Make the dressing. In the chilled bowl, whisk the egg yolk with Dijon mustard, Worcestershire, lemon juice, and hot sauce, if using. Slowly stream in olive oil until lightly emulsified. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Combine. Add the diced lamb to the bowl. Gently fold in the shallot, capers, cornichons, chives, and parsley until evenly distributed. Taste and adjust. Add a little more lemon juice, mustard, salt, or pepper as needed. The flavor should be bright, savory, and well seasoned. Chill briefly. Cover and refrigerate the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes to marry flavors while you prepare accompaniments. Prepare accompaniments. Separate endive or butter lettuce leaves. Slice radishes thinly and arrange on chilled plates. If serving with toast or crackers, have them ready on the side. Plate. Pack the tartare lightly into a ring mold or mound gently with a spoon on each plate. Drizzle a few drops of olive oil on top and finish with a pinch of chives or cracked pepper. Serve immediately while very cold. Raw lamb is best eaten fresh and not stored. Now enjoy this elegant American lamb tartare with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.